everyone, welcome to another video. Today we're going to be making bread pudding. It's a quick, easy and simple recipe that only takes about 20 minutes. For today's recipe you're going to need 600 ml of milk, 10 slices of bread, 410 ml of evaporated milk, some butter, 100 grams of cashew nuts, 250 grams of sugar and 30 grams of crushed pistachios. We're going to start by putting a large pan on a medium heat. Now when the pan is slightly hot, we're going to add in our 600 ml of milk. And to that milk we're going to add in our sugar. Give that a stir and mix it all together. Now we're going to start adding in our evaporated milk. We used an entire tin which worked out at 410 millilitres. Another quick stir and we're going to move that to the back of the cooker so we can carry on with our recipe. Let that carry on simmering away at a medium heat. Next we're going to grab ourselves a frying pan and add a little bit of butter to it. Lie your slices of bread onto the butter and allow that to toast away for a few minutes until it's golden brown. You're going to have to do this to all of your pieces of bread, so again we used about 8 to 10 pieces. As you're doing this, your milk mixture should be boiling away at the back. Once your milk mixture has thickened, we're going to add it into a tray. We're only going to use about half of a mixture at this point so we can use the rest to pour over. Now we're going to start layering our bread. What we've done is put 2 pieces of bread together with some cashew nuts sprinkled in between. Once you've layered all your pieces of bread, we're going to add on the rest of the milk mixture and allow that to soak for a few minutes. You can help it along by pushing the piece of bread down, allowing it to soak up all of that milk mixture. To finish off our pudding, we're adding some pistachios as a decoration. And that's it, I told you it was quick and easy. The taste of this pudding reminds me a lot of rasmalai, which makes it a quick go-to when I want something sweet. We hope you've enjoyed this video. Please remember to give us a like and please subscribe. Thank you!